Hey everyone, inside this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Canva as an affiliate marketer. This is going to be your step-by-step affiliate marketing guide for Canva. You can expect a quick 10-minute simple guide on how to do Canva affiliate marketing. I'm going to be breaking down these steps one by one so you know exactly how to do this method. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to become a Canva affiliate as well as how to make money with Canva affiliate marketing. So the strategy goes like this. First off, I'm going to show you how to sign up to be a Canva affiliate. And then after you have your affiliate link and your account all set up, and I'll walk you through step by step, then I'm going to show you how to find different tutorials. Now, the reason that we're going to be finding these tutorials is because you're going to be creating your own version of these tutorials, and you don't even have to have your face on camera to do this method. You can create these videos by just recording your laptop screen with your iPhone or your Android phone. So without further ado, let's jump into the first step of this strategy. Okay, so the first step is you want to go to canva.com/affiliates. Now this page is going to show you how to become a Canva Pro affiliate step by step. It's extremely easy, anybody can apply, and they have a high acceptance rate if you want to become an affiliate. So here's a couple of different things about the affiliate program. So once you register as a Canva affiliate pro, then you can start earning commissions. You can earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber. And everything is streamlined. You have a dashboard that's going to show you your results, your clicks, your sales, where things are coming from, and there's so many cool tools inside of the affiliate dashboard for Canva, and I'm going to get to that in just a second. Canva also offers you tons of community tips, guidelines, and ad templates that you can promote Canva with. And that's all included when you become a Canva Pro affiliate. So to become a Canva Pro affiliate, go ahead and just click on the Join Now button. That's going to lead you to this page, which is by 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥.com, and that is the affiliate partner with Canva. So it's really simple to create your account. All you have to do is just go down through here and add your information. So you have things like your name, your email, your username, your password, simple things like that. Then when it comes down here to your account display name, you can pick whatever display name you want. And then you want to go ahead and add a website. Now don't worry, if you don't have a website built, you could actually just fill in a social media account. So if you have a TikTok account or a YouTube account or anything like that, you can just go ahead and put that right in here as a company website, and Canva should accept that, because when we scroll down here, you'll see that what kind of partner type are you going to be, and you can click on this select type button here, and you can go down to social media influencer, and instead of adding websites, you can actually add social media networks. So you can click on TikTok, and you can paste in your TikTok URL for this method, and that's how you can actually get accepted to be a Canva Pro affiliate. And then after you add all of your social media accounts, you don't have to have tons of followers to get accepted, so don't worry about that. Just add them here underneath social networks. Then you have this entire agreement section. You can scroll through this, and then after you've done that, you just click on the sign up button, and that will go ahead and create your Canva Pro affiliate account. Now I just created this brand new account to show you guys what it looks like and how to actually run a Canva affiliate dashboard. A couple things that you want to pay attention to is this profile section down here, and you want to go ahead and just edit your profile and add your banking information so that you can get paid when you make commissions through Canva's affiliate program. And after you do that, now it's time to actually create your Canva Pro affiliate link. And Canva has this tool that allows you to create all kinds of different links that you can use on different social platforms, or you can just use different brand names inside of these links, and I can show you exactly how to build this. So first off, you click Canva here, and then you add a landing page. This is optional. So what that means is any kind of Canva page, you can actually link that as an affiliate. So for example, I found this design ideas page on Canva, and I could just copy this link here, and I could go back over to my Canva affiliate account, and I could paste this in as a landing page, and that's going to create an affiliate link that will take the customer to that landing page, but they're going to be cookied with our affiliate program. And then if you want to see all your different affiliate links that you have created, just go ahead and click on View All, and that's going to show you the different affiliate links. So this is one that I created for myself, and then this is the one that we just created inside this video. So how much does Canva actually pay you every single time you sign somebody up for a Canva Pro account? Well, there's two different kinds of subscription plans that you can actually get paid for. First off, you have the monthly plan, and you actually get paid 80% commission of the subscription fee. If we take a look at how much Canva charges people, you'll see that for monthly fees, they charge $12.99. So you can expect about $11 every single time somebody signs up, and you get that for month 1 and month 2. So that will be about $22. And then if somebody signs up for the yearly plan, you get 25% of that first year commission. So for the yearly, it costs $120. So that's going to be about $36 that you get paid if somebody signs up for the Canva Pro yearly subscription through your affiliate link. Now, with the strategy that I'm going to show you in order to get traffic and customers, then this actually can add up really fast. These are smaller commissions, but I'm going to show you how to get tons of different signups with your affiliate link inside this video. Okay, so now we have signed up to be an affiliate for Canva Pro and we have our affiliate link. Now it's time for the next part of the video, which is finding tutorials. And I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. Now, why we need these tutorials is because we are gonna be taking these tutorials and turning them into our own content. We're gonna be creating our own version of these tutorials that is going to allow us to get new customers signed up through Canva Pro, and that's gonna create recurring income for us by promoting Canva Pro. The first traffic strategy that we're going to be using is actually doing Canva tutorials on TikTok. So many people are using this strategy in order to get people to sign up with Canva Pro, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So first off, we're just going to go ahead and search inside of TikTok for the word Canva, and I'm going to hit enter, and then we want to find different videos on Canva. As you can see here, this one right here is called Canva Professional. This is an account with 49,000 followers and 167,000 likes already on their account. And as you can see, they never show their face inside of these videos. They just do simple Canva hacks, simple Canva tutorials, and they get so many views. Here's 1 million views, Canva hacks you didn't know. Another 1.1 million views. This one had 3,800, this one had 3,000, this one had 9,800. So they get so many views, and inside of their bio, they just have a bit.ly link that leads to a Canva Pro subscription. So every single time somebody signs up for Canva through their link, they are getting between $22 and $36 for every single sign up. And here is an example of another account doing this exact same method. As you can see, this one's called 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧, and she actually rarely shows her face on these videos. They're mostly just screen recordings of her computer. Now, not only can you do short form videos on TikTok and find success, you can actually do the same method on Instagram. Just like this creator right here, you could actually just create simple Canva hack videos that get thousands of views on Instagram Reels, because Instagram Reels is taking off right now. So if you jump on this strategy and you create simple tutorials just by finding people like this and then mimicking their strategy but turning it into your own content, then you can actually make more commissions with Canva Pro as an affiliate. Our third way of making commissions as a Canva affiliate is by using SEO strategies on YouTube. As you can see here, I'm looking at Design with Canva. They have over 200,000 subscribers, and all they do is create different videos around Canva keywords. So if you want to make an animated progression bar in Canva, you can do so in this video. They also show you Canva tips and tricks, and as you can see, they get quite a lot of views with their videos. So when somebody goes to YouTube and they search for how to remove a background in Canva, then you can see that their videos are popping up first inside of the YouTube algorithm. Whenever somebody clicks on this and they sign up for Canva Pro by clicking on their link inside of the description, then they are earning commissions as Canva affiliates. This strategy is super untapped, and not a lot of people are taking advantage of using SEO on YouTube to promote Canva videos. So many people are searching how to use Canva as a design tool because a lot of people are making money selling templates on Etsy and different things like that, and they want to know how to use Canva, and that's where we step in as affiliates by creating this content that is searchable on YouTube. Now, when creating these videos on YouTube, I recommend that you do a couple of things to get your videos found inside of search. Number one is you want to have your keywords inside of your title. As you can see, this video used remove background in Canva Pro. That is the keyword right there. And then as you can tell inside of their description, they actually say it again. They say how to remove a background in Canva Pro. And then background of your choice if you don't have a Canva Pro account. So they use these keywords over and over again in order to rank high in the algorithm on YouTube. And another way that you can actually promote Canva as an affiliate is by getting people to sign up for Canva Pro in order to edit professionally designed Canva templates. So as you can see here, I'm looking at a designer on Canva, and they have all these different kinds of templates that we can promote as an affiliate. So if I want to find maybe a weekly chore list that we could promote on places like TikTok, I could just click on this right here, and I can actually promote this as an affiliate by just copying this Canva link up here and going back over to my dashboard and creating a new affiliate link for this page. So all you'd have to do is just go over to create an affiliate link and just copy and just paste in that link to that template, and we can actually promote that template as an affiliate. So you could go back over to TikTok and create videos that recommend different Canva templates. As you can see, this one had 104,000 views, and all they're doing is recommending Canva templates inside of their videos. And you could do the exact same strategy, but link out to that Canva template with your affiliate link in order to get more signups as an affiliate. So now that you have all the components to this strategy to make commissions as a Canva affiliate, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend a TikTok course for you guys in order to learn how to create TikTok videos to promote these Canva templates and Canva tutorials. It is called 15-second free leads, and it's actually only $1 to purchase this course, and you get a step-by-step guide teaching you how to grow on TikTok, as well as how to earn sales promoting different things like Canva. And all of this is going to be covered inside of this $1 course. I'll go ahead and leave the link for this course down below this video inside the description if you're interested in learning how to use TikTok in order to get leads and sales to your affiliate marketing business. And if you want more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name's David, and I create content all about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and different kinds of side hustles. If you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all you guys inside of my next video.